Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to see what's going on for Scorpios, what's going on in their life. Okay, so let's focus on your person's current feelings. This is a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. Let's start. What is Scorpio's person feeling right now? What are they feeling? What are their current feelings? Let's see. What's happening for Scorpios in their love life? Six of Swords. First card is Six of Swords. Second one is King of Coins. King of Swords. The World. Scorpions. Ace of Coins. As far as I am seeing here, Scorpions, you might be dealing with another air sign. Majority of you are dealing with air sign or earth sign. Okay. What I am seeing here is the person you are dealing with, they're all about themselves. They're thinking about their life. They're self-centered. They're not thinking about you right now, and the focus is on something else. Maybe their life, their career, their finances. They're not thinking about you. They're not giving it a thought. Scorpions. They're all about their life. They're all about their money. They're all about their finances, their family, their friends, their career, their job, their business, whatever they are into. Okay. I'm also seeing them pulling away from you emotionally. This person at this point of time, they're not expecting or not wanting to communicate to you, or maybe get back to you, or maybe reconcile. Okay. They are all about themselves. I can also see in recent past, either from you or from their side, there is lack of clarity. Okay. This person was not clear with their actions, their thoughts, their intentions, and that confused you. Okay, you were sort of confused with what this person actually feels, what this person actually wants from you. They were kind of confused, and they gave you this confusing vibes. They were not sure what they want. They were not sure what they bring to, what they want to bring to you, what value they want to add to you, to your life. Okay. I can also see this person, they just ghosted you maybe in the past, and they did not give any damn explanation of what they were up to. I'm seeing this person having a lot of misconceptions or maybe misunderstandings when it comes to you. Definitely I am seeing you dealing with an earth sign or fire or air sign. But the thing is, after all of this drama, after all of this heartache on your side, they are going to come back. They will want to talk to you. They will want to reconcile. They will want to have it with you. Okay. Let's pull some more cards. Let me see what's happening here. But the person you're dealing with, they are quite not sure what they want to have with you. They are quite confused, yet they are confused. They don't have any idea what they're wanting. Okay. For Scorpions, let's see what's happening for Scorpions. The Hierophant. Page of Pentacles. I told you, they are all about themselves. They're thinking about themselves. They are not even prioritizing you, they're not even thinking about you. Nine of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, and the Lovers. But in the end, you are going to get back with this person. Whether you want it or not, whether they want it or not, you both are going to get back together. You both are going to, gravitate back towards each other. There is an unfinished business, what I'm seeing here. Things are not quite over. It might seem as though they have left, they won't come back, but definitely they are going to come back when you least expect them to. I can again see them focusing on their life, their money, their finances. I'm definitely seeing you dealing with Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn, or Air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, but what I'm seeing here is, no matter how hard you both try to pull away from each other, it is going to be the opposite. You both are going to gravitate back towards each other, and divine energies are going to do that for you. Universe is going to do that for you. Angels are going to do that for you. You want them or not, it's not your choice. I see you have not completed a cycle with them yet. It is not over. It is not yet over. Okay, there is a deep love that is yet to be found, that is yet to be expressed, that is yet to be felt, that is yet to be, there is a cycle that is yet to be completed. You might be dealing with a twin flame. You both are mirroring each other. They are not taking any action, you are not taking any action. You are focused on yourself, they are focused on themselves. So it is just a matter of time. This is not the right time. It was not the right time maybe in the past, but now things will fall into place. Let's see what messages do universe have for you. This message is specifically going to be for you, Scorpions. Let's see what messages do we have for Scorpions. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. I do quick readings over here. Forgiveness. I think you both must forgive each other. You must give one another this chance. You both are looking in the opposite direction. You both are not seeing how wonderful things will fall into place once you forgive each other. Okay, or this may be a message that this person will come and ask for forgiveness. They will ask for another chance. Okay, let them take their space, let them take their time, let them think, let them analyze, let them speculate things. But after all, they are going to come back to you. They are not wanting to lose you at any cost. Okay, they see you as a gem, they see you as a treasure. Why would they lose you? Not at all. Okay, so this was it for Scorpions. This was a quick reading. Very soon I will start with July love readings. Okay, so yes, see you in next video. Love you.